Everyone, today we are going to learn the science chapter crop protection and management. In your previous class, you already learned that there are two types of the things, living things and non-living things. In the living things, like animals including humans, cannot prepare their own food. They are dependent upon the plants for food. Why we need the food? We need a food to function on various activities. To carry out the various function of the body like excretion, digestion and respiration. Now here how it's possible to provide the food to a large number of the pupils in our country, and how we can produce the food on the large scale. If you are going to provide the food for a large number of the pupils, we need to produce the large amount of the food, and we need to give the proper management, and the distribution of the food is also a necessity. Now in this lesson, we are going to learn what is the agriculture practice. In 10,000 BC, the peoples were nomadic. They wandered from one place to another place in search of food and shelter. They used to eat the raw food materials and raw fruits, raw vegetables and leaves of the plants and roots of the trees. And then later, they started to hunting the animals for food. Then after the development, they start to cultivate the land, and production of the plants, the production of the different types of the crops takes place in our country. Like this, the name of the agriculture born in our country. Now let us try to understand what is agriculture. The production of plant, the otherwise production of the crops, called agriculture. Crops production. Crops production is called agriculture. Let us try to understand what is the crop. Crop means if the large same kinds of the plants grown in a one place on a large scale is called crops. The crops may be the wheat, rice, vegetables, fruits and cereals. If we are going to grow the wheat, then we can say the wheat crop. Like if you are going to grow rice crops, vegetable crops, and if you are going to grow fruit, then we can see the fruit crops. We know that India is a vast country. The climatic condition varies from regions to region. The climatic condition, for example, temperature, humidity, and rain. Here, because of the climatic condition, different types of the crops grown in a different region. Despite of diversity, the two patterns of crops identified in our country. The first pattern, Kharif crop. Next pattern is Rabi crop. In Kharif crop in India, it's generally grown in the rainy season. If the crop is growing in the rainy season, called Kharif crop, it's a start from June to September. The crops grown in this season like paddy, maize, walnut, and cotton. Rabi crops, rabi crop, it's generally grown in winter season. If the crop is growing in winter season, we can say the crop is rabi crop. It's a start, generally it's from October to March. The crops grown in the season, example, wheat, gram, etc. Okay, here now what we have learned, what is agriculture and what are the different patterns of agriculture in this class. In the next class, let's we learn more details about crop production and management. Thank you.